Hi and welcome in this new video. If you're watching it, probably you are an entrepreneur. So today I'm here to share with you what is and how they works the mindset affirmation to reach your goals and improve yourself. First of all, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. But we go straight into the first point. The first point is what are mindset affirmation. It's a simple way to remind to yourself your goals and what you become. For example, you can tell yourself every morning, I just wanna earn $3,000 a month. I just wanna earn $10,000 a month. And you continuously repeat this phrase in your mind. So your subconscious mind, it's really influenced by this, and you always be focused on your goal, that it's make $10,000 a month. And why this helps you? Because when you're out, when you are working, when you are with friends, continuously asking this question, you will have some sort of results, motivation, and you know exactly what's your goal and why you are working. Because if you're thinking all the day, how can I make $10,000 a month, you will come up with new idea. And pay attention, because it's not a question, it's not how can I, it's I earn $10,000 every month. So your mind already prepared to this. So once your mindset is on the state that you earn 10,000 a month, your environment will change and adapt to your mentality. So you will earn that amount of money. I wanna say that it's not overnight. It's not that today you think about making $10,000 and tomorrow you wake up with $10,000 that come in every month. It's just a process that helps your mind to keep the focus and a new idea for the work. My experience with this was that in the morning for a long period of time I have read the same page of a book that are about affirmations, and I can say that a little bit it helped me, but nothing too crazy. I was reading, and then during the day the tough or that phrases will come up in my mind. For example, that I am grateful, that I am rich, and this really helps you to imagine yourself in the future. But for now, as now, I am not doing this strategy. I also done a period where I read every morning. I wrote my goals on a piece of paper, so my subconscious mind exactly know what type of goal I need. But at the moment I am just focusing on working and creating some new content. The next point, it can be the why you should try this. I think that it's a personal thing, because maybe with your personality it works really good or it doesn't work. For example, with me I have had some results, but nothing very big. Maybe I have not done it for a lot of years, but you can just try for a month or two every day to read positive affirmations that I will tell you at the end of this video. And if after some months you will see that there is something that is changed, good, continue and maybe change or increase the amount of phrases. If nothing seems to work, you can give up or just try again and see if it come up in a long period of time. The next point is that successful people, some of the successful people do it and some other don't do it. This is the reason that I said before, that it depends with your personal type. So, for example, there is people that write their goals every morning, and then there is other people that in the morning read this positive affirmation, and there are also other people than do nothing. It can depend on you, but if you never try, you will never know the result of this. The next point that I wanna say that it's really important, as I said before, is the focus. The focus with this will absolutely increase, because during the day when you're saying these phrases, they keep going in your mind, and you will always thinking to this type of affirmation, and it can really help you, because if every day you think that you are grateful, that you have a great life, it can really impact your happiness and your work. I have some examples for you, really basic. It depends on what do you like, what's your goal, but you can use general phrases, write them on a piece of paper, and then you read them every day. But it can be I am grateful that I earn X amount of money, what's your goal is. Or I am grateful that I have my Lamborghini. I am grateful that I am in a relationship with an amazing person. I am grateful that I have my health right and I have a nice body. All this type, you can write down for you your phrases for your specific situation. For this video is everything. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.